Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power folding mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 63,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D6632.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.